Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to make your Instagram bio longer than 150 characters. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the button that says Edit Profile. This is where you can change your bio, your name, and your links. Start with the bio section. Here, you can write up to 150 characters. Type your main introduction in this space. Keep it short and direct, because this is the part people see right away. Now look to the top where you will see the name field. Many people only type their first and last name here, but Instagram actually gives you up to 30 characters. This means you can use this space to continue your bio. For example, if you ran out of room in the bio box, you can complete the sentence here. You could also add keywords, a second tagline, or any short detail that supports your profile. Next, scroll down to the links section. Instagram gives you one clickable link. Most people connect it to their website, but you can use this in a smarter way. If you use a link in Bio tool, you can create a custom page where you write longer descriptions, add multiple links, and even include images. This lets you share unlimited information with your audience. Thanks for watching.